Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nofatin Shazwani binti Nur Azman. My project-based learning title is Temperature Control Water Heater.
Sebagai seorang student, water heater adalah benda yang sangat penting apabila hidup di asrama. Jadi, saya mengimplikasikannya dalam project-based learning saya.
Introduction. Temperature regulation is a mechanism in which a change in space or substance temperature is measured or otherwise observed, and the flow of heat energy into or out of space or substance is modified to achieve the desired temperature. A temperature controller is a system used to maintain a desired temperature at a given value. The simplest example of a temperature control unit is a standard thermostat found in home. For example, a hot water heater uses a thermostat to control the temperature of the water to maintain it at a specified controlled temperature. Component that used in this project is for input LM35, which is give analog output proportional to the temperature. Push button 1 to change the set point up. Push button 2 to change the set point down. For the output, 16 times 2 LCD display current temperature and set point. LED blue displaying status of heater off. LED red displaying status of heater on. Relay, if temperature is less, turn on the relay. If temperature is more, turn on the relay. Turn off the relay, sorry. Okay, this is my simulation project. Kita kena run untuk tengok macam mana dia works. Okay, saya akan terangkan tentang function input dan output yang saya guna. Okay, first input yang saya guna ialah LM35, which to give analog output proportional to the temperature. Okay, next, push button 1, which is to change the set point going up. Maksudnya kita nak change set point ni punya nilai menaik. Begitu juga dengan push button kedua, which is to change set point going down. Kita nak turunkan dia. Okay. Then output, the first output is 16 times 2 LCD, which is to display current temperature and set point. Okay, dia akan display temperature and set point. Set point ni yang kita ubah-ubah ni dia akan display. Okay, next, relay dan LED, biru dan merah. Okay, relay dengan LED ni dia berkait. Maksudnya, bila temperature rendah daripada set point, LED biru akan menyala, menandakan heater is off. Which is, if temperature is less than set point, the relay will turn on. The relay will turn on. Okay. If the temperature is higher than set point, the LED red will light up and the relay will turn off. Directly turn off when the LED red is light up. For the conclusion, in this project, designed and implemented an efficient temperature monitoring and controlling system with an Arduino board. Output was verified by setting the temperature at different value, and it was found that the LED turn on and off when the device crosses the set value. It is very useful for the people who are disabled. There is still useful for our future, even the technology is developing rapidly. This project is quite simple, but I have gained more knowledge about Arduino program project. Thank you.